In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your line name. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap, what to type, and a few tips to make sure your new name looks great to your contacts. First, open the Line app on your phone. Give it a second to load on the home screen. If you haven't used Line in a while, you might be prompted to log in. Go ahead and sign in with your usual method and complete any quick verification so you're back on the home screen. This ensures your settings are synced to your account. From the Home tab, look to the top right corner for the gear icon. That's your Settings button. Tap it to open the Settings menu. If you don't immediately see the gear, make sure you're on Home rather than Chats or Timeline, as the icon appears consistently on the Home tab. Inside Settings, tap Profile. You'll find Profile right at the top of the menu because it's where Line keeps your personal details like your name, photo, and status message. This is the place that controls what your friends see. Next, tap Name. This is the display name tied to your account. It's what your friends and groups will see when you message or get added to a chat. It's different from your Line ID, which is a separate identifier and won't be changed here. Now type your new name. You can use up to 20 characters, so keep it short and recognizable. If you're choosing a nickname, consider something your contacts will immediately know is you. Avoid overly long strings or symbols that might get truncated on smaller screens. If the Save option looks disabled, check that you've entered at least one character and stayed within the character limit. When you're happy with how it looks, tap Save. Your change applies right away. You won't need to restart the app, and the new name should appear to your contacts the next time they see you in chats or in their friend list. If you use Line on multiple devices, the updated name will sync across them. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Your name is visible to your contacts, so make sure it's appropriate for both personal and work chats if you use Line for both. If you don't see the change appear immediately in a conversation, try navigating back to the chat list and reopening the chat to refresh. And remember, this step only changes your display name, not your Line ID or phone number. That's it. You've successfully updated your Line name. Thanks for watching and enjoy your refreshed profile.